Alright guys, I just noticed there's a new app out there that is making top free, as you can notice right here, number 2 top free. Antivirus Free 2019. Very simple name there. Scan and remove virus cleaner. Now I haven't opened up this yet. I just installed it right now. We're about to hit open here. This is 4.8 out of 5 stars. All right, it's got a positive review saying it's helped my phone speed up a lot more than what it was going, and it's so helpful it finds all the things that were going wrong with my mobile. It's made by Hyperspeed, so let's take a look at it and see if it is actually what they're saying the hype is. So we're opening it right now. Start. At risk. Ooh, tap to scan. Before we tap to scan, let's take a look around here. Oh, cool. That's pretty cool. I like how it has a big button right in the middle there. That's for new people, that beginners, you know. It's just right there. Just tap it. Boom. Get it started. Actually, let's do it right now. It's scanning. Real-time protection. Browsing history. Something there just said it was going to take about an hour. Holy moly. All right. We'll just let it run. We're going to hit the back button here and let it run. I think we could still let it run while we look at other things here. Cool, yeah, I think it's running. So it looks like there's a memory boost, a junk cleaner, and a CPU cooler. Also a battery saver, notification organizer, app locker. A lot of people like to use that to lock their messages in case somebody does get into their phone. They can still lock their messages or whatever. Remove ads, call assistant, data thieves, app manager, and game booster. Hold on one second. Let's go back to that scan and see how it's doing. Oh shoot, you know what? You had to stay on it. It's going pretty fast though. Alright, in danger. It says 6 apps with privacy risk found. Let's view those. Let's see which ones it's talking about. Facebook Messenger, Contacts, Chrome, Google Play. Come on, these are just regular ones. Even my Bible app, it says it has warnings on there. What the heck? Oh, that's to lock it. So this is to lock it using App Locker. Okay. So like I said, you can lock your apps that way. Let's try to, for example, let's try to lock Calculator, just for a really quick example. It wants to automatically lock all these other ones, but I'm going to check those. We're just going to test it with the calculator. We're going to lock one right there. What you do is you draw a pattern. Just make a really simple one. Confirm it. Okay, so if you do this, it might ask for permission. So what you're going to have to do is going to take you here automatically, which is pretty cool. It used to not do this automatically, but now it does. You got to go in here and you got to, the security center down here, you got to give it access. So now that it has access, it should be able to do it. We're going to draw the same pattern again. So I locked on one app. And turn on intruder. We'll turn it on. Let's see what the heck that thing's about. Lock successfully. So now, if we try to open up the calculator app, which is right here, boom, see? Oh, but they put an ad right there. Oh, it's a free app. Of course, they're gonna put an ad right there. But anyway, we put our security pattern there, and we can use a calculator now. See, pretty cool. So that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. All right, let's see what else is in here. Clipboard privacy leak in the clipboard. If we hit clean, that'll do it. Real-time protection, enable. We'll just enable that. Super call assistant. Now it's trying to give us more apps here. So you don't have to get those. A scheduled scan, I recommend you do those when you should give you the option there to set when you want to do a scheduled scan. But I recommend you do them in the middle of the night when your phone is charging. It'll automatically scan for you. Charging improver. That is another app they want you to get. May contain ads. Don't get it because it's got ads in it. Probably not even worth it. All right, cool. Now it says safe to. Now it's safe. Let's go ahead and take a look at this memory booster and see what that does. I'm gonna try to boost my memory. Okay, looks pretty fancy. Oh shoot, is this an ad? So it boosted 220 megabits, it looks like. But at the same time, it's showing us an ad here. We don't want that ad, guys. We don't want that ad. All right, let's go to junk clean. See what that thing does. Please allow access. We're gonna hit allow. It's probably gonna take us to the settings. Yep, it's taking us to the settings. All right, now it's gonna do it. Let's see how much junk we can clean. Whoa, that is quite a bit of junk, guys. Dang. That's a quarter of a gig almost. Yep, just over a quarter of a gig. Cool. So it looks like it cleaned up a bunch of stuff there. Nice. Oh, not yet. It found it. Now we just got to hit clean down here. My bad. Let's hit clean. And there it goes. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It cleaned up. It saved up 288 megabytes. That is pretty cool. Oh, but then an ad pops up, of course. All right. We'll just hit the X there. And there's another ad, which I'm not surprised. Let's go back. Yeah, we'll give you 5-star, yeah. Just give you guys a good... Oh, where is it taking us, though? Oh, it's trying to make us get some more stuff. No, let's go back. All right, let's test out the CPU cooler. Let's see what that does. Supposedly it's cooling it down. It's kind of cold right now in my apartment anyway. And of course it takes you to an ad. Man. I'm gonna have to give it a bad review. Look at that, I can't even do nothing. You gotta watch this whole thing. How do you even exit out of it? I'm scared to even tap my screen right now. It took over my whole screen. Little bastards. I'm gonna hit the back. Can't even get out of that. I'm trying to hit the back button here and it doesn't even do that. Heck no, I don't want to download now. How do I go back? And now I'm stuck. Look at that, guys. Stuck. So on the upper left-hand corner, there's an X right there. Bam. Dang, that was crazy. I don't even want to use this app no more. Just take over my freaking phone like that. But let's finish off this review real quick. There's a battery saver here. Let's take a look at that. Scanning for power-consuming apps. And 8 draining apps extended. And another ad popping up. Oh my god. Just leave us alone already. Alright, battery consumption slowing down. I don't even know what the heck's going on, guys. I don't even know if it's... Look, it's all saying virus infected phone. It's not even true. That's just an ad. Oh my god. Alright, let's just continue. Notification organizer, what does that do? Pretty cool. They want you to buy that. App locker, we went through that. Remove ads. If you want to remove ads, you have to pay for it, of course. There's a call assistant in here. Automatically block calls you don't want to answer. Auto remind you of calls and block unwanted calls. Let's see. We're going to hit OK there and see where that takes us. I'm hitting OK. Okay. You got to hit allow for that. Okay, here it is. So private numbers, block private numbers. You can do that. Unknown numbers you can block. Block all calls. So you can whitelist people. I'm not going to go through this because my contacts will probably pop up. And I really don't want to share that on the internet with you guys. But right here you can whitelist and blacklist people. Alright, data thieves. Let's see what that's about. Check Which apps are burning data while your screen is locked? Oh, Visor is, but that's the program that I'm using to show you guys this video. Solitaire, Alibaba Messenger, Note, and Google Play services. You can stop them right here. I'm not going to stop those because I need those. But yeah, that's where you can stop them. Stop apps that are, using too much data. There's an app manager, which, I mean, your phone already has one. I don't know why you would use this one. But you can go in here and uninstall apps. And there's a game booster. I wonder what that thing does. Tap add button to add games. Oh, so you can add a game here. I don't think I have a game right now. Oh, I have that pottery game. We could try that one. Cool. So it's boosted game speed by 26%. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. Boost your game. I wonder if it really works though. All right. Cool. That is it, guys. That is the full review of Antivirus Free 2019 Scan and Remove Virus Cleaner. It's rated up there. Now, it has a lot of features. I ain't gonna lie, guys. It has a lot of features. What I didn't like about it was that ad that popped up that you guys saw earlier. It took over the whole freaking screen. Didn't even know how to get out of it. But just like every other free app, you're gonna see ads on there. So despite the ads, I think it's a really good app. I really do. What I liked about it was the app locker and the game booster. That's what I liked about it. And also data thieves, you can see what's using most of your stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Let's go ahead and actually give it a quick review. Somebody's car out there. I think his alarm went off, if you guys can hear that. All right, let's go to the... All right, guys, it's time to review this app after we look through it. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 because it's got a lot of features in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in one of my next videos.